Students, now the third problem. Root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732, root 5 equal to 2.236, root 10 equal to 3.162. Then find the values of the following correct to 3 places of decimals. The first problem, root 40 minus root 20. The second problem, root 300 plus root 90 minus root 8. Now root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732, root 5 equal to 2.236, root 10 equal to 3.162. Root 40 minus root 20 we want to find. So that is, first you have to find the factorization method for root 40 and root 20. The root 40 is written as 2 square into 2 into 5. Root 20 is, 20 is written as 2 square into 5. Now, for root 40 minus root 20, so that is root 40 value, we found that 2 square into 2 into 5. Then root 20 value 2 square into 5. So now you got to substitute the values. Now for a square and square root become cancel. So this is 2 into square root of 2 into 5. So that is 2 square root and square become cancel. So that is 2 into root and 2 5s are 10. Next 2 comes out because square and square root become cancel. So 2 into root 5. Root 10 value is given 3.162. Then the root 5 value 2.236. Now you have to multiply these two. That is 3.162 into 2 is 6.324 and 2.236 into 2 is 4.472. So now you have to subtract these two, that is 1.852. So answer 1.852. The second problem, root 300 plus root 90 minus root 8. So the same way you have to find the factorization method for 300, 90 and 8. So 300 is find for 2 square into 5 square into 3. 90 is written as 5 into 3 square into 3. And 2 square 8 is written as 2 square into 2. Now we have to substitute the values. Root 300 plus root 90 minus root 8 is equal to that root 300 value you have to write here, root 90 value you have to write here, then root 8 value. Now the square number comes outside from the root, so that is 2 into 5 into root 3. This 3 is inside the root, so root 3. So here only one square number, so it comes out from the root, so that is 3 into square root of 5 into 2. So here we have only one square number, that is 2. 2 comes out from the root, so 2 root 2. So 2 5s are 10. 10 root 3 plus 3 into root 10 minus 2 root 2. Now we have to substitute the values root 3, root 10 and root 2. That value substitute, then you have to make a multiple. So 10 into 1.732 is 17.32. 3.162 into 3 is 9.486. Then for it is 1.414 multiple by 2 is 2.828. So now you have to simplify this. For 17.32 plus 9.486, that is 26.806. You have to subtract 2.826. So the answer is 23.980. Now the fourth question. Arrange the sets in descending order. So cube root of 5, 9th root of 4, 6th root of 3. The second problem, square root of cube root of 5, cube root of 4th root of 7, square root of root 3. For this problem, first we have to check the order of the sets. The first one is order 3, next 9, next 6. So order are different, so we make it as the same order. So same order, how to make it as a same order, we have to find LCM for their orders. So LCM, you know, for 3, 9, 6. So normal way you have to find the LCM, that is 18. So LCM is 18, so we make the order as 18. So the given one cube root of 5 is written as 5 whole power 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 for 18 is need, power 18 is need. So both numerator and denominator multiple by 6. 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18. The denominator 18 comes in a order of the set. So 18th root of 5 power 6. Next 9th root of 4. 9th root of 4 is written as 4 power 1 by 9. So that is 4 whole power 1 by 9 into, we want to make it as a 18. So both numerator and denominator multiple by 2. So 4 power 2 by 18. So denominator as a order. So 18th root of 4 square. So that is 18th root of 16. The previously 5 power 6 is written as 5 6 times have to write, then make multiple, we get the answer 15,625. Next, 6th root of 3. 6th root of 3 is written as 3 whole power 1 by 6. So this 6 you have to make it as a 18. So 18 how you make, for it is multiple by 3. So 1 3 is 3, then 18. So 18th root of 3 cube. So 18th root of 3 cube value is 27. Now we want to write in a ascending order and descending order. In the question they asked only descending order. So you have to listen both ascending order and descending order. For ascending order means you know that is a small number to big number. For the order are same, so you have to write with the small number. For 18th root of 16 is the first small number. Next 18th root of 27. Next 18th root of 15,625. So that related values 9th root of 4 is less than 6th root of 3 less than cube root of 5. The descending order just you write in a reverse position. Cube root of root 5 greater than 6th root of root 3, then greater than 9th root of 4. Now the second question, square root of cube root of 5, cube root of 4th root of 7, square root of root 3. So LCM of this, for here two orders are given. So 2 into 3 6, 4 into 3 12, 2 into 2 4. So we want to find the LCM for 6, 12 and 4. So LCM find the same way. LCM is equal to 12. Now we have to make the order as a 12. So square root of cube root of 5 is written as 6th root of 5. So this again written as 5 power 1 by 6. So denominator we make it as a 12. So multiple by both numerator and denominator 2. So 5 power 2 by 12. This denominator moves to the order. So 12th root of 5 square. 5 square value 25. 12th root of 25. Next cube root of 4th root of 7. So the same way order is 12. So you no need to make any changes because LCM is a 12. Just you take and write 12th root of 7. Next square root of root 3. So that is 4th root of 3. So this is written as 3 power 1 by 4. 3 power 1 by 4. So this is denominator, make it as a 12. So both numerator and denominator multiple by 3. So 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So this is written as 12th root of 3 cube. 3 cube value is 27. So you have to arrange in a ascending order. 12th root of 7 is less than 12th root of 25 is less than 12th root of 27. Their related values you have to write. Then the same way the descending order.